you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I wanna see the sun and dive into the deep ocean.
I've been really excited, and I wanted to try their overnight sleep mask, and it's a hydrating treatment. I do like the gooey feeling of it, which is nice. I don't like those hard masks. This is a nice texture. It's almost like a gel. This just goes on so smooth. It feels so nice. It's for all types of skin, tired skin, dull, hydrated skin. This little jar is supposed to be a powerhouse for hydrating skin. I will let you know in 2 days how it works. You know, I'm always going to be honest with you. If you've been following me on YouTube for a while, you know that I have skin problems. And I do say problems because it's a problem to me. My skin around the T area here is always super dry and around the nose. And other areas can be oily. It's very uneven skin. I have tried many products. Some of them kind of do okay and some of them do not. I'm always trying something new because eventually I think I will hit the right one. I don't know, guys, but I think I may just have. Teami reached out to me. This is the hydrating sleep mask. I'm thinking, hey, it's hydrating. It'll work for me and it's for all skins. So I thought bonus, almost like a jelly. It's just so nice on your skin. I just applied it at night after I applied my serum, got up in the morning, washed my face, and then went on with my morning routine. And after just 1 day of use, I swear to you guys, I came downstairs and my husband says, "Did you do something different with your face?" I said, "No, why?" He goes, "I don't know, it's glowing." Hello? That was telling me that it's working after just one use, guys. It worked amazing for me. I've been using now for probably about maybe a week, almost a week. And it's super hydrated around here and around here. And all my other oily spots are fine. So it's balanced off my skin, if you will. That's the only way I can explain it. My review, they didn't ask me to say anything. They just asked for my true and honest review. And that's exactly what I'm giving you. But I absolutely loved it because I can see a difference in my skin. And at the end of the day, that's all that really matters. If you want to try this or any of their products, Teami has been kind enough to provide me with a coupon code for an additional 20% off on $29 or more. If you're interested, the code is BOLD20. The link to Teami is in my bio. So yeah, quite happy with it. So my next project is this console table. What I liked about it was it had this curly things, let's just call it that. I really liked the fact that it had this kind of detail around. I liked that it had this kind of ridging. I really like the whole piece altogether as a whole. The bottom of the legs are in mint condition. The top has spots and scratches, dings on there. From here up, I'm going to DIY it. I really wanted to make it my own. We're going to work on this project. I'm going to take you along. So this is the first coat on the table. I love the way it's turning out. So I'm going to wait and put the second coat and then we'll go on to the next step. Done the first layer of squares for this table and I'm almost dry. I'm going to now work on the whites in here. I love the way it's coming out so far. Okay, so I've done everything almost. So I've done all the checks. I've painted in all the squares. Now I do have to do the touch-ups and the touch-ups around here. And then we're going to detail it, how it's turning out. I love the black and the squares. You've seen videos before where I've told you I am check obsessed, from clothes to shoes to everything else. So this is no surprise. And Mackenzie Childs is very different than this. I do know how to do the Mackenzie Childs stroke, but you know what? I'm not Mackenzie Childs. I'm me. So, and I like the different details that I add to it. I personally just like the squares, period. What I add to it is my own love and passion for squares. Little whisking there and the touch of gold. I didn't want to add too much on it, detail it around here. The legs are like this. It was interesting to me. The bottom, I was going to put some polka dots, but you know what? I just left it. Actually, really love the way it turned out. I wanted to have something dark and something very light to kind of go with the white theme that I kind of have going here.
Hey, darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey, darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey.
Guys, look at this little beauty. Could you imagine that? I want to show you this little table. Look at the legs on this. It's, what is that, a harp? Oh my gosh. It is so friggin' stinking cute. I couldn't resist it on Marketplace when I seen it. I really love the bottom, or the little bars across there, and it has a little sort of metal feet detail, or cloth feet. I thought, oh no, it's going with me. I'm going to be DIYing this one for my basement living room. See, I'm going to take you along for this. I was told by the seller that this table is from 1940s. If you've been watching me, you know I'm not into antiques too much. I like to sort of redo antiques into today's decor, and that's what I'm going to be doing with this piece. Some damage across the top. I don't know what that is, but it's okay because it's all going to be sanded. Maybe I can, you know, be nice to hubby and say, honey, can you fix that? And then, yeah, see, there it is. So I'm going to have him fix that. And then I'm going to sand it, and then I'm going to turn it, hopefully, into a beautiful piece of art. Oh my gosh, guys, I really have to show you these legs. How cute is that? I have never seen a table like this. Never. And that's what I fell in love with